Dear learners, welcome to Star Academy. Today in this video lesson, you will learn what is dramatic irony. Dramatic irony occurs when the audience knows more about what's going on than the character. It can create suspense as the audience waits to see what is going to happen next, as the reader or the audience know the actual situation, but the characters are unaware of the reality. For example, in a drama or a play, a lady visits a garden every day. A gentleman knows this and is trying to find a way to meet her and ask her to marry him. The day he gets up the courage to go to the garden, she is not there. The reader knows she is ill, but he doesn't. It is an example of dramatic irony, as the character, the gentleman, is unaware of the lady is ill, but the reader knows that she is ill. Example number 2. In a novel, a woman thinks her boyfriend is about to break up with her because he has been acting distracted and distant. Readers know he bought her an engagement ring and is nervous she won't say yes. He calls her one afternoon and simply says, "I need to see you." She is sure he is going to break up with her, but when she arrives, he proposes her with a string quartet, dozen of roses, and huge sparkler of diamond. Examples from English literature. In Twilight, Edward is convinced that he is putting Bella in danger, when readers know that she is actually in grave danger from others that only Edward can protect her from. Another example of dramatic irony is found in Macbeth. In Macbeth, the title character appears to be loyal to Duncan. However, Macbeth is actually plotting Duncan's murder. Duncan doesn't know this, but the audience does. Another example is found in Animal Farm. In Animal Farm, the animals believe Boxer was sent to the hospital, while readers know all along that the pigs actually sold him to the slaughterhouse. Dramatic irony increases the audience anticipation, hopes, or fears, as readers wait to see when the main character will catch on, suspense is building, and the pages are turning. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. Take care and goodbye.